1,000 meters swim and 4 kilometers run.
Runner yarn.
Hindi na siya.
Ay, sorry. Aray! Huwag mo na ako. Hindi ako nainitan. Hindi pa ako magkulambo eh. So, lap. Hospital muna. Hospital muna. Pa-check up
No!
muna.
We did it, guys! Saving. Finally. I trained for that and hindi ko lang na-share. I want to gatekeep this, but this is my favorite 7-Eleven or convenience store. You are training sa New Clark, going to CT, TRP, NCC. Sa harap to ng Camellia House kasi hindi crowded, especially kapag weekends kasi mga schools talaga kinikater nila.